Okay,
Okay, ready when you are.
I am.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay,
What's your presentation about?
Spinosaurus.
Spinosaurus. Okay.
It was a large carnivore dinosaur with sail on its back.
A large carnivore dinosaur with a sail on its back. How did it move? How did it walk?
It moved fastly and pretty agile.
Wow. Did it walk on 2 legs or 4 legs?
This two-legged carnivore dinosaur may have hunted fish at the time.
When did it live?
It lived at the India, the end of the Jurassic period.
Okay. Are you sure it was Jurassic, or could it have lived in the Cretaceous too?
Some are still alive in the Cretaceous.
Okay. What were its teeth like?
Its teeth was sharp as a shark tooth.
As sharp as a shark tooth. Wow.
The Spinosaurus was a dinosaur that mostly was hanging out in the water to catch fish.
Was the Spinosaurus a big dinosaur or a small dinosaur?
This big dinosaur may have eaten fish.
Mm-hmm. How much do you think it weighed?
It weighed as much as 6 dairy crocodiles.
6 dairy crocodiles. Whoa. Would you like to tell any other details about the Spinosaurus, or are you done with your presentation?
I'm done with it.
Okay. Very good.